Hello everybody, today you'll learn how to make a guitar amplifier. You have to plug an electric guitar into an amplifier if you wanted it to be more than barely audible. A guitar amplifier is a type of box and unit containing an amp to boost the electrical signal. A loudspeaker amplifiers use state-of-the-art silicon chips, while others use traditional vacuum tube. Dance election or house inside a metal case. The model case is the metal sheet. A sheet of steel that is less than a millimeter thick. A computer-guided machine called a ted-ed punch. The counter and pierce the series of holes in slot. For the control, a walkie is a computer-guided vendor. Elsewhere in the factory, the amp circuit board takes shape. It will go inside the chair. A computer-guided drill makes the holes in the environment limited floor. That is coated with copper. The holes of the board varies electronic parts. An automated silk screen printer now applies a diagram of the electricity circuitry in amplifier resistance. Then the board goes to a machine called a nature. It uses ammonia to dissolve the copper sugar with the ink diagram stay intact. The machine runs the board with sodium hydroxide to dissolve the ink, leaving behind just the circuit diagram in copper. This copper configuration will conduct electricity to circuit board components. Automated machines insert the smaller components. Here, what's it that look like in slow motion? Here's what it looks like in slow motion and at actual speed. The worker provides the counter pressure machine folds over. Leave some larger components to secure them to the board until they are soldered. Workers then install large individual parts by hand. Among them, the sockets that hold tubes which power the amp. And the wire wires that connect extra components to the board. The factory permanently fixes everything in one shot. Using power cord wave soldering, the circuit board runs to the path of molten tin and lead, and in just a couple of seconds, the coating fluid hardened, bonding the components securely.